Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to earn energy and rewards in Finch. Finch is a digital companion designed to help users establish productive habits while providing interactive engagement. Finch is not merely a virtual pet, it serves as a motivational tool rewarding users for consistent activity and goal completion. And one of the key features of the Finch is its system of energy and the rewards, which encourages users to remain engaged, complete daily tasks and maintain consistent routine. So first you need to access to your Finch home screen. Launch your Finch app, and on the home screen you will see your Finch pet along with the current energy level and progress stats. Over here navigate to the goals icon. In order to do that, in the top left there's a 3-line icon and go to my goals. Complete the daily goals you have set. Each completed goal grants energy points and may contribute to unlocking rewards as well. Interact with your Finch by feeding, playing or performing activities, and this interaction can increase the Finch happiness, which may in turn generate additional energy points. And by completing daily goals, interacting with a Finch and participating in challenges, users can efficiently earn energy and unlock reward. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.